Hi everyone, this is Akash from Dio, and today I'll be showing you how to update your Dio node. From time to time, we release updates to improve the performance and security of Dio Node. You can find the release notes on our website. Updating your speaker is completely optional, but it's really easy to do. To update your speaker, press and hold all three buttons on Dio Node for 2 seconds. The speaker light will now begin flashing white as it checks for updates. If your speaker already has the latest update, it will keep flashing white for a few minutes and eventually stop. If the speaker does find a new update, you will see the light go through a series of colors for the next few minutes as the speaker downloads and installs the update. This may take several minutes. We've sped up the video here to demonstrate the full cycle of the update. Once the speaker light turns off, the update is complete. You can now start using your speaker again. As you can see, updating Dio Node is just a simple button press. You can do it at any time to have your speakers search for updates, or you can just keep an eye on our website or emails for announcements. Happy jamming!